Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to leave the Moodle course. It's a very simple and easy process. I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Moodle website of your school. After you are in the website, you will be in the login page. Here you can enter your username and your password to log in. I have logged in as a student over here. Once you are logged in, it will take you to the course page. Here you can see the list of courses. You can select any courses from here. Just click on it. Now here you can see the participants section. Click on it. If you scroll down, here you will see a list of students enrolled in this course. Now find your profile from here. This is my profile, so I'm going to click on it. It'll open your profile. If you scroll it down, here you can see the course details. You can click on view more. Here you'll see a list of courses that you're enrolled in. So from here you can choose the course that you want to leave and just select that. Once you are in the course page that you want to leave from, in this page, here you can see the more option. Click on it. You'll see the option unenroll me from this course. You can simply click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Again, tap on continue. And there you go, you have successfully left this course. So that's how you can leave a course in Moodle. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.